Hey guys, my name's CrazyKirby64 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get free custom icons for YouTube, Twitter, or any of that stuff. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm on my computer right now, and just like the last video, if you haven't seen my last video, the video will be in the description. I'm going to be using this free app. It's Pixlr. You don't even have to get the app, it's just on web browser. So anyways, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make my, just how to make any profile image, even for YouTube or any things like that. This is mine right now, but we're going to be making a new one. So, hold on. We'll go back here. You want it to be... actually, I don't think it matters. We don't... oh, yeah. 800 by 800. That's what you want it to be. For your actual profile. So, we're going to do... so, you want to do 800 by 800. Create, and now you have your profile. So the first thing you want to do, you probably want to have a background. So if you didn't know, you can browse on your actual PC, add URLs or stock images. So I'm going to be doing, this is what I did for mine, just cool space backgrounds, and this is probably like the best one that you can use. Now make sure that it's usage rights labeled for reuse. I'm gonna be doing this one. This is just a test, so I'm not actually. I might update my background, I don't know. But anyway, so you're gonna go to URL and paste it in your URL. Okay, that's nice. Sometimes they just don't work on this, so let's use like... oh my gosh, okay, you can't select this. Nice. Let's just use this one then. But yeah, if you're enjoying my videos that I'm making, or even if you're a new viewer, I suggest you should subscribe, comment down below, if you do use Pixlr, and if you do like and enjoy my videos. Also, hit this, bell to turn on notifications so you never miss another one of my videos, and also, while you're at it, hit the like button. Anyways, enough about that, let's get back into this. This is what you'll do for your background. Just put it 00, 800 by 800. Make sure the lock aspect is off, because then it will just be weird. So there's your background. So then you want to add text in. So you can either do what I did, which is your full YouTube name, or you can just do the beginning letter. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing the beginning letter. So that'd be a K. You choose your font. Let's do that one. Definitely gonna want it to be huge, because it's only that letter. You can also, like tilt it too. You can, I'm gonna be adding an outline to it, like normal. My color, shadow. Let's do my color. And then the text, I don't know if I want it to be white, actually. Here, hold on, let me just center this. Actually, I think I'll just put it right there. The text color. If it's pink, it's not gonna look good. Oh, nah. So, I think I'll just do it like that. I normally do it. I think I might want to, like, change the color to this, though. Also, definitely want to make it smaller. Like that. Let's do like a pink, but like a light pink. Whoa, punch out. Nah. Okay. Oh, whoa. Sorry guys, I'm not used to using like the touchpad on a PC. So I usually use my mouse, so that's why. Anyway, so now you have your letter. You can here. Let me select the actual background. You can mess with the color. Let's see what inverted looks like. Whoa, that is crazy. You can mess. The hue really just changes the actual color. You can also change the tint once you find a color that you like. That actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna keep the dark though. Tint's kind of like here. Just reset. You can also just hover over this to reset it. Let's make it like a brightness, contrast. Whoa, now reset that. Saw one that ooh, the purple one, that looks good. That looks pretty cool. And then if you want, you can add more things into it. I think here, hold on. You can, where is that thingy at? There we go. Blur. Turn this up. Softness. Just blur. Whoa! Looks so weird while you're doing it. Just blur it all. And if you're just selected on this thing, it won't actually blur the letter. So you can just blur it so the letter pops out more. So here, let me just boost the strength all the way up, dude. I have no idea what just happened, dude. What the? Okay. Let's just undo that. Okay, so there's that. You can also... Oh, yeah, right. So you can add a border. This is what I usually do. Just do squared. You can choose one. I usually do the black one. Transparency. Kind of do a little bit of transparency. And then you save it. Oh, not save. I meant save this. Now, what I do also, the blend mode, you can change the blend mode. That's basically the same thing as multiply. So yeah, that's really it. How to make it. Sorry about last video too, the bad, like, changing from just me making it and then saving it. Totally forgot about that, but to save it, all you have to do is just you press the save button, you can boost the quality up. I always do. Make sure it's image, stuff, profile, test. This actually does look pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I don't know, I might change this to mine. Anyway, so you just download it. It's gonna be down in your download folder. Now it's here. So then, whatever you gotta do, you just go down to your YouTube. Then, where is that at? Your videos. And you would just press this. And then, you can just upload photo, profile test, and then you can open it. I'm not going to be doing that because, I mean, I do like mine, so I'm just going to use mine. But that's basically what you would do, and then it would just load here. It might take a little bit to load, just so you know. But that's really it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe, like, comment down below if you're enjoying these videos, and also while you're at it, hit the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. And well, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.